Remember, kids, I have a good dojo busy today that for Christmas. For the it's
The Dojo Showdown. LEGO Ninjago 7-0. 756, the Dojo Showdown.
Dago.
Yes, let's move the camera down so we can see that.
Hey.
Alright. You want to get this party started?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Hey, big man. All right. So we get to get you guys some better high quality images of the set that we just completed. So here's Kai. Here's our super fly trainer. Here's this guy who's got the super awesome fist. And what is this, an anaconda guy? Do you know his name? Yeah. Do you know his name, Bobby? No? Alright. So, this is the first thing that we built from the set. It's a little training area. And you see over here, we've got more of the training station. We've got this fire pit. And Kai has this really neat thing he can jump on to jump up. And hopefully he doesn't get shot by one of those on his way up. Alright, now up top we have a secret trapdoor as well. Bobby, you want to show us how the trapdoor works? Alright, here we go. Trapdoor. Oh no, where's Guy? He's burning in the fire. Alright, so this is a nice little set. Got 4 minifigures, 4 fun minifigures. Train at the, what's it called, the dojo again? Yeah, the dojo. Alright.
I just gave a good dojo for App Store. That's like good dojo games.
We can download LEGO Ninjago games at the App Store. Alright. Well, thank you guys very much for watching. Yes, we're done. Yep. Good job. All right. Now let's come here, Bobby. Hi, dudes. We are done building the set. That's Bobby's new camera. Bobby just got this for Christmas.
I got this too.
You got the camera too, man.
I got the ammo, a spit trap, a cupcake, and a step up.
Do you want to thank everybody for watching your video?
There's a paper bag. For more Christmas video.
Yep.
And me!
Thanks for watching.
And me!